Hello everybody, today we're starting stretching Oversplits, and I hope that you like that video. I will get seat and starting working. We firstly stretching for one side and back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back. So take this away and take behind and stretch for them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So stay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and take that away. So and starting take one leg more for ourselves and take blocks and going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So good work. Take this leg for self and take this leg on the block. So let's sit and get started. So 1, back, 2, back, 3, back, 4, back, and 5. Catch a leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Let's turn our hip and sit in this position and stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try to take a leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move hip down and change legs. So take a turn and sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try to take back leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move our hip and now we will try to take our legs and move. Say 1, 2, 3. Good work. Change leg. Take 1, 2, 3. Take the legs together and take feet on ours. Be careful. Take feet and stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, I will hope that you like this video. Take 3 likes, subscribe and follow me. So bye bye.